This is a 1972 Mattel train. I only have the train. I don't have the rest of the track. But he's got little googly eyes. It's a wind-up. Don't want to wind it up too much because it's old. But there he's going. The train part's wooden, and then the chassis of it and the stack are plastic. Like right here it says 1972 Mattel Incorporated. He's got rubber tires. You can hook other trains to him. My dad said that when these were new, they'd come with a track and some other cars. It rolls pretty good. I found one, just the steam engine like this, on the internet for $6.39. And then I wrote $6.39 antique 1972. It's from Mattel. I'm sure some of you guys remember these. That's it for him.